Today, we're going through FireBusd, where you can earn 4% return daily by staking and 2% daily by minting. Yes, FireBusd is a fork of BUSD machine, and today I will rate this project and let you know if it's worth investing here or not. So in this video, I will cover what is FireBusd? Should you invest here? My professional rating. AV here on this channel, I share new videos on the new hottest crypto projects and I rate them. So let's get started. The price of FireBusd at the time of recording this video is $0.18 and the token is not tradable on the market. Everything is done through their website. Here are the tokenomics. Use BUSD to earn FireBusd tokens to stake or sell for BUSD. So just like BUSD machine and the other forks, this is on the Binance Smart Chain. There's a total supply of 1 million tokens, and that's their official contract address. Now let's explore their white paper. The FireBusd project aims to create sustainable income before the long-term accessible to all investors. Here is how you can stake BUSD. Open their website. Click Connect at the top to connect your browser wallet to the dApp. Please ensure you are on the Binance Smart Chain network. In the Mint FireBusd section, you will need to approve your BUSD spend with the application example. Enter $250 for $250 and click Approve. Your browser wallet will pop up to confirm the transaction. Click Confirm and wait for the transaction to be processed by the blockchain. In the Mint FireBusd section, enter the amount of BUSD to enter into the dApp and click Invest. Your browser wallet will pop up to confirm the transaction. Click Confirm and wait for the transaction to be processed by the blockchain. A max button has been provided which will enter the maximum amount of BUSD that you have in your wallet. And if you experience high gas fees while investing BUSD, then make sure you have approved your spend. Then here is how you can stake your FireBusd earned. On their website, click Connect at the top to connect your browser wallet to the dApp. Please ensure you are on the BSC network. In the Stake FireBusd section, enter the amount of FireBusD to enter into the dApp and click Stake. Your browser wallet will pop up to confirm the transaction. Click Confirm and wait for the transaction to be processed by the blockchain. A max button has been provided which will enter the maximum amount of BUSD that you have in your wallet. When you need to unstake your FireBusd, you have to click Connect at the top to connect your browser wallet to the dApp and ensure that you are on the BSC network again. In the Stake FireBusd section, click the Unstake button. Your browser wallet will pop up to confirm the transaction. Click Confirm and wait for the transaction to be processed by the blockchain. Note that you can only unstake after 7 days, and each time you restake, the time reset to 7 days. Only 40,000 FireBusd tokens can be sold per day, and here's how it works. Click Connect at the top to connect your browser wallet to the dApp. Ensure you are on the BSC network. In the Sell FireBusd section, enter the amount to sell and click Sell. Your browser wallet will pop up to confirm the transaction. Click Confirm and wait for the transaction to be processed by the blockchain. A max button has been provided which will enter the maximum amount of BUSD that you have in your wallet. Pricing. BUSD investments. Using the FireBusd price formula, it's easy to derive that as more funds enter the contract, the price increases, and as funds leave the contract, the price decreases. Token minting. Using the FireBusd price formula, as users mint FireBusd tokens either by using BUSD or staking FireBusd. The circulating supply increases, which reduces the available supply, which drives the price up. Token selling. Using the FireBusd price formula, as users sell FireBusd tokens, the circulating supply decreases, which increases the available supply, which drives the price down. So should you invest in FireBusd? Looking at BUSD machine version 1, there have been many problems, and although you can make money in the short term, I would be extremely vigilant on FireBusd 2 because it's a fork of BUSD machine and it has the same issues. For example, only 40,000 tokens can be sold per day. And now that BUSD machine version 1 is crashing, people want to get out, but it's nearly impossible due to the limit. They're not KYC and they plan to be audited but aren't yet. I absolutely don't recommend investing here. Unless you play around with money you can afford to lose. I've rated this project on a scale of 1 to 6, using 6 out of 10 important criteria that I use to invest in crypto project. But in this case, since their token is not tradable on the market, I can only use 6 criteria. The rating is 2.25 out of 6, not enough to be considered a good project. Personally, I've lost faith in those BUSD machine forks and I won't talk about them again in the future. And what you think about those forks? Please let me know in the comments. Follow my Twitter, I share crypto price predictions using AI on there. The link is in the description. Please subscribe to support the channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.